Why shouldn't you trust electrons? Because they make up everything. In fact, it's estimated that there are approximately 10 to the power of 80 electrons in the known universe. Surely, with this knowledge, no one would be crazy enough to propose that there exists only one electron. Well, it's time to introduce John Archibald Wheeler. Wheeler proposed the one electron universe hypothesis, which states that all of the existing electrons are simply instances of a single electron that can traverse space and time, since all electrons are identical in properties such as charge and mass. If there truly was one electron, we can graph its motion through time and space. But when a photon strikes the electron, it begins to move backwards in time. At a given time, t, the same electron exists in multiple different positions in space. This proves that it is possible that all of the electrons are instances of just the original one. However, this is a hypothesis, not a completely accepted theory. For instance, due to the charge parity time symmetry of the universe, the particles that exist when time is reversed are actually positrons, the antimatter equivalent of electrons. This graph suggests that at the same time, the number of electrons and positrons must be the same. This is not the case, since there is significantly more matter than antimatter. This baryon asymmetry is explained by baryogenesis, in which one additional electron was created in the early universe. Over time, the difference between electrons and positrons increased significantly after repeated baryogenesis. My hypothesis is that Wheeler's idea can be used to explain baryogenesis. If the electron's path ends moving forward in time, there will be one extra electron. Since this electron is an instance of the original one, its path can be graphed using the same time values but different space values. Therefore, baryogenesis can occur again, creating a repeated cycle that results in a matter-dominated universe, thereby providing new insight into the one electron universe hypothesis.